What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We are doing our next clean out. Gabe's gonna take this home and hang it on his wall.
That's the plan.
That's the plan? Okay, so that's why it's sitting out here? All right. Just making sure, Gabe. All right. Albert's in here kicking butt. So, anyway, everything's got to go out of here, including the stuff up in the rafters. And then here's the rest of the house and garage. So this family is not here. This was their grandparents' house, and everything in here's got to go. Everything has been left behind. Another two-wheeler, shelving, some tools there on the shelves, but all this has got to go. Probably, I think we'll probably leave that shelving unit for the next homeowner, and then I'll take you inside real quick. All right, so down there's a curio cabinet and a desk, I believe. She may have taken the desk. So curio cabinet, those two little items. Some plastic pieces down here. Refrigerator stays. Oh, here's the desk. Yeah, so this desk goes. Nice little roll top desk. So, and that lamp. So that's everything down in this basement. Now, the weird thing about this house, everybody, it has two basements. Check this out. So this is the stairway to the second basement, which is just crazy, right? And this is where I'm looking forward to spending some time today. So anyway, just stuff, tons of light bulbs, pressure cooker, some miscellaneous tools. They had an estate sale here, so I think they were basically just giving stuff away. Freezer stays, but all the bedding in there, which is what this is where they stored their bedding, goes, but it does stay with the house. Clothes go, you know, the usual routine. So, I'll show you the rest of the house real quick. All right. Just some random stuff in this room here. Maybe a sewing machine. Looks like maybe a drill. Yep, old drill. So, older, junky looking sewing machine. Bathroom. Kitchen, we gotta clean out the cabinets and the refrigerator. Cookies, everybody. I remember these, man. That's old Tupperware there. That probably has some value. Anyway, bedroom over here, and primarily just clothing in this room. Lots of clothing, all gotta go. Bathroom back there. All this stuff here, and all of the owl collection. Anybody collect owls out there? How about some bunny rabbits? So yeah, like I said, they had an estate sale here. They tried selling stuff over the weekend before they left. They're from Oklahoma. So that is the task in front of us today. Those are actually some decent looking chairs. They look like they're not tore or anything. Got the rollers on them. Anywho, yeah, that's what we're dealing with today, everybody. Remember these from like the 70s? Remember them? I don't remember what they were called though. And check this out. It's a cute little footstool, right? You flip it over. Oh no, it's hooks. Huh. know what I mean? Some cord cutters.
See, we got some drills too.
Need a drill?
If it works.
I'll tell you, no, anything you guys see that you want to, you know.
That he don't want, that he doesn't want first.
Yeah, no, right now there's hardly anything I want, so. Like this cord cutter, yeah, I'll probably throw that in the back. Yippity-doo-dah, yippity-yay. Here's a better drill for you, man.
You said on the side over there.
Huh? Yeah, try this one. That's a better one, more modern. Here you go, Albert. How about some drill bits? Need drill bits?
Yep, take that with it.
There you go. Oh, jeez. All right, everybody. I had to let my camera charge for a little bit, but we kept going. But you really didn't miss much. It's really a lot of junk, as you can kind of see there. Some scrap metal scattered throughout, but mostly junk. This is all freezer food. We got this stuff here ready to come out. So James says we're not going to get it all done today, so he failed me.
I didn't fail you. I didn't see. That's a
But most of these cabinets are all cleared out. This room is done, and this room is done pretty much for the most part. So we have to make a plan when we're going to come back. Still got this room here and all the clothes yet to go.
assuming that freezer's staying.
Freezer does stay, but everything that's inside of it comes out, which is just blankets.
I love how they got a toilet down here up on a pedestal.
Right.
Legitimately. Like, what the heck?
What the heck?
Where's the second room?
I'm playing right now, James. Let me have some fun. You're always just so serious about getting stuff done. Let's take you to the other basement. Fridge stays, and then this desk.
Oh, so there ain't nothing over there.
Oh my goodness, there's a lot of stuff here. That one's heavy. Okay.
I realized.
Looking good, folks. Got another truckload left, we think, approximately. So I don't know if I mentioned it before, but the family that owns this house or inherited this house is from Oklahoma. They came up, they took what they wanted, they had a little estate sale over the weekend, and what you saw is what was left. So I told them we would start it today. It may take more than one truck, and that we would get it done as quick as possible. And she says, okay, great, here is the realtor's number. The realtor will let you in. Call the realtor that same day, and he goes, yep, I'll have it open for you. I said, great, can you have it open by 2 o'clock? We will be there. And now it's the end of the day. You saw the truck. We close it up. I lock up the house. I call the realtor, and I say, hey, we're going to be back tomorrow at about 3. hoping you can open up the house again. What? Why are you going back tomorrow at 3? And I'm not exaggerating. This is what he sounded like. Because we're not done yet. Why aren't you done yet? I have a photographer coming at 9 o'clock in the morning. You told me you'd be done, Shane. No, I didn't. I never would have said that because I don't know how much I could fit into the truck. It's always hard to tell. You don't know what's in closets and behind cupboard doors. So no, I didn't tell you we would be done today. Anyway, he hangs up on me. I call him back. He literally goes, yes, Shane. I go, I just want to make sure you're going to let us in tomorrow. He says, well, I'll let you in. What do you mean? I said, we're going to be back there around 3 o'clock to get to work to finish up. Are you going to unlock the house? You locked the house? Yeah, you unlocked it. I locked it. And he goes, why would you lock the house? You're not done yet. I said, do you want me to leave the house unlocked overnight so vandals can come in maybe? I don't know. Seriously? And he went on some tirade, and then he goes, fine, I'll be there. I will make sure it's unlocked by 3 o'clock. And then I hung up on him. So then the family calls me. I'm talking to the daughter, and she says, why in the hell would he think he's going to take pictures? Pictures aren't supposed to be until Thursday or Friday because we have a cleaning crew coming in tomorrow afternoon. I'm just shocked, but sorry for that long story. I had to get that off my chest. Let's get back to it. In case you didn't remember, or if I didn't show you what this looks like, that's what yesterday's load looked like. Now we're going to get it undone and get out of here.
All right, we got a big one today.
Big one.
3,460 pounds for $60.55. And my lady loves us so much she gave us popsicles.
Oh, isn't that sweet?
All right, later, everybody. We busy.
All right, everybody, we were at the first job today. And it is a sofa and a mattress. And we had to take the sofa out the front, took the mattresses out the back. So the sofa was a hide-a-bed, so it took a little more effort than, you know, it took a little more effort, but we got it. Which way are you tilting me?
Backwards.
This way? Okay.
If it gets in, I'm good.
And there's the sofa.
Sit down.
Whew.
I mean,
Whew.
take a break.
That was heavy.
Yeah, it was.
Look at that.
It was heavy.
Nickel. So she goes, I have 8 fence panels. They're about 5 foot tall. I'm like, okay, no problem. Nothing to said about posts. Nothing was said about the hill. Nothing was said about the walkway. It's like, sometimes I wonder what these people are thinking. This is 12.
Yep.
We are back at the house, and well, hi, how are you? How are you? Anyway, we're going to be cleaning quick today. We aren't going to be looking through stuff. We're going to get stuff out of here, and cleaning crew is here. So Albert, I do have to officially ask you on camera, are you okay with me filming you for YouTube?
Oh, I don't care.
All right. If you didn't hear that, he didn't care. Lordy. Jeez. Oh, it's so much cooler down here. Thank God for that. Beanies!
top beams.
Yep, take them down.
Ooh, it's much cooler down here.
Much cooler.
Love it.
All right, I think we're gonna do the same thing. We're just gonna start boxing everything up, put it by the stairs. We'll chain up the stairs. You know the drill. I want to keep this crowbar. If that's all right. I don't care if it's all right. If it's not all right, I don't care. Ooh, copper and brass. Wow.
Oh God.
Oh God.
Here we go with that.
Here we go again.
See, everybody, he is so mean to me. Can't you tell?
Oh yeah.
You should see him when we're outside. He beats me up and says if I say anything, he's gonna slip. You gotta edit that out. He'll be like, this is against community guidelines.
Yeah. All right, everybody, we're done. Stuff that I'm keeping is just right here. Copper, some brass, nice pry bar, and some Sawzall blades, or yeah, Sawzall blades. Otherwise, we're done. And we are now just loading out the truck. I don't know if we're gonna have enough room in the truck. And if we don't, we're gonna at least have it outside. And I will come back with my van, or James will come back with his truck. Oops.
Make sure I get my eyeballs.
Yeah, right.
I might need those.
You're a Bears fan, so we might have to, you know.
Oh no, I can't do that because I'm a Bears fan.
How we doing today, Shane?
We'll make it.
I don't know if I like that version of you because I've seen that.
You got this, James. Okay, that's it on the back end. That's everything. That's everything on this end.
That's everything on this end?
Yep. Look what James did, everybody. He managed to get it all in, even though we had that stupid fence that took up way too much room. He did it, man. He is the man. Good job. Really good job. Let's see what else we got left inside.
Look, that's why I have the room yet.
All right. Anything else in there?
Yeah, there's a couple.
Couple of things. Clean, 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 clean. Hey everybody, one thing I forgot to mention about this job was the nicotine or the smoke. Whoever lived there was a chain smoker, and that house stunk to high heaven, and that's why I didn't keep much of anything from it, plus donate much from it, because everything just smelled like smoke. It was really bad. Once we took the pictures off the wall, you could see where the pictures had been hanging on the wall. You know, there was that lighter square. Anyway, guys, I do hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for being a part of this channel. Take care of yourselves. Be safe out there, and you will see us, or we will see you at the next clean out. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.